Hey guys, hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to discuss about how to get jobs in electric vehicle industries. So this video will be especially for students and entry-level professionals who want to get jobs in electric vehicles or want to transit their careers to electric vehicle industries, or who are in any other industry but are not happy with the work they are doing and want to move towards electric vehicles. So, to those of you who don't know, I am Prathamesh Sangelkar. I am myself an engineer working in an OEM in Pune. So, I have worked in top OEMs, electric vehicle OEMs such as Mahindra, Ather Energy, and Bajaj electric vehicles. So, this is something I am doing, I have done myself, and I'm encouraging people to do to get better jobs in this sector. So first, I want to really emphasize on four major topics to get jobs in this sector. So, so broadly, there are four categories on how we can gain these skills. So first is student level automotive competitions. So this is something I have myself done, and I really encourage students who are in their second year or third year to participate in these teams and gain this exposure. So in every college, there is a team who designs, manufactures, and uh, makes a car or a vehicle based on a specific theme. So this theme can be anything. It can be a Formula electric car, or an off-road buggy, or a solar themed car. So it's important to participate in these competitions. So these competitions not only give us, great experience in design development of vehicles. It also helps us to build experience such as team building experience, cash flow management, as well as presentation skills. So starting with the design and development experience, if you have a team, so if you have a team and you target to make an Formula electric vehicle, so that is where you learn on how to make a vehicle, how to select a wheelbase, how to select the track width of the vehicle, how to design a battery of a vehicle, or how to select a motor of a vehicle in an uh, while designing the car. So this is something very important, and this is something the industry demands. So that's where we learn to design our own CAD, design the parts on the CAD, analyze it in various CAE simulation softwares, and simulate those models in MATLAB and Simulink, and as well as develop these products based on different manufacturing techniques, and eventually assemble this product and test this product on the field. So that is really I can say a learning curve that industry demands. And usually if we see the companies, the new age companies typically hire the students who have this background, those who have student level automotive competitions background. They really prefer these candidates, so it's a must have experience on your resume. Second thing is team building experience. So when I used to participate in these competitions, I did this for 3 years, and in my last year, I led a team, and under my leadership, we were able to win podium finishes. So I used to lead a team of 30 people. So this was something really nice. In this team building, we learn to talk with people. We learn to build relationships with people. Thirdly, we also learn to mentor people and guide a team. We develop leadership and managerial skills. So this is something a must skill to have in industry. Third is cash flow management. So if you want to build this project, then you need 5 to 6 lakhs rupees to develop this project. So obviously, a single student cannot raise this much amount of funds. We used to ask for sponsorship from various institutes, or ask sponsorship from our college, and used to raise the money. So this is an essential skills of fundraising for a project that is also gained in this. competitions. Then second thing in cash flow management is money managing. So while we run the project, it's really important that we divide the money in certain categories of certain frame and categories of time. So uh, at start, we are just in prototyping phase and selection of components. So it's essential that we spend a little amount of money and keep a large chunk of money for design and development activities. Also, we have to consider all the testing activities of the vehicle, what will happen if any failure occurs, and how will we raise the funds, or how will we manage the money required to develop the modified product or the failed product. So there's something also which is to be considered, and uh, and that is also a good experience to have on your profile. And last is presentation skills. So once you develop this vehicle, you are supposed to make various reports and document your design in specific formats. So this design is specifically formatted in various formats, such as a design report, where you document all your vehicle level, or how you design the vehicle, what is your thought process, or how you select certain geometry, or how did you select a component for your vehicle. Second is uh, something called as DVP, which is design validation plan. So in this you learn in this report, you try to document how you validated your design, what kind of testing you did, and why you did that testing. Third is DFMEA, which is design failure mode effect analysis. So this is something. This is a document which characterizes various failure modes occurring in a vehicle under various categories. So there is something called as risk priority number, and this risk priority number helps us to sort the failure modes occurring in the vehicle based on their severity, occurrence, and detection. So this is something also many industries follow. They while product development, they develop a product, and for validating it, they have to prepare DFMEA. They have to prepare DFM DVP to validate this product. Also, we are supposed to also show our cost report, how much cost we actually go into making this vehicle. Fourthly, we also supposed to prepare a Gantt chart, which will showcase on what phases did we do our work, and how did we execute the project and build our vehicle. So while preparing these reports, and when we go to the event site and present these reports to the judges, so this is something really helps to build up confidence and hone our presentation skills in front of large audience. And and this is something a must. This is a must-have skill. Presentation skills to have a job and to get a job in electric vehicles. So, second point to discuss is the final year engineering project. So, uh, if you are in final year engineering and you are looking for to make a good project, then make sure that you select a project which is industry relevant. So, let's come to topic selection. So, while topic selection, it doesn't need necessarily to be a unique topic. So there are many students in college. Obviously, there will be repetition and copying of projects. So it's okay to select project which is being done by some other student, but make sure that it's an industry relevant project. So in my case, I had made a project on suspension geometry for an all-terrain vehicle. So that was something really uh, towards automotive industry, and in future for going further, it also helped me to gain and showcase my knowledge in areas of automotive, suspension to the recruiters and during my interviews. So make sure you select a topic which can add value to the industry. So considering EV technology, you can work on a project which will where we will design your own battery, or you can work on a project where you are designing your own motor and making a prototype of it. So this not only will help you to make a great project, but it will also help you to showcase, your projects during your job search processes. So this is also very important. And last thing is documentation of this project. So I see many students who work on great projects who have very good profiles, but they fail to document this properly. So make sure you build project portfolios and have sufficient photos and a description of the project that you have worked on. So whenever you go for an interview, you can showcase these project portfolios to the interviewer, and this will really add value to your application. So the third thing I want to say is EV crash courses. So if you're someone who has recently graduated and didn't participate in student level automotive competitions, or who didn't have a great final year project, so there is something you can consider doing, and there is something I also did to upskill myself to learn more about EVs. So you can take up crash courses related to EV topics. So in EVs, there are many different areas such as battery, motor, controller, uh, power converters, as well as drivetrains. So these are various topics which you should learn, and you should get a basic introduction. So I have mentioned three websites from where you can go and learn this knowledge for free. So Udemy. So first is Udemy. So Udemy has many short courses related to electric vehicles, and you'll get these courses in some 400 to 500 rupees. And the intention of these courses is to give you a basic understanding of the subsystems in an electric vehicle. Say you want to, your intention should be just to have an introduction, or have an, you know, uh, basic understanding of EVs at the first. So this is something that can help you. So by saying introduction, I also want to highlight that while checking anything, or while transitioning to EV, first get an understanding of the basics, or get an overview of the basics of the EV, and then go to high paying courses, or the courses which consist of 1 or 2 lakhs price. So make sure you think about that before investing a heavy amount, even investing such heavy amount. So second course or second website I want to mention is edX. So edX is more like course content partnered with the industry, with academic universities outside India. So this is something also you can learn for free. They have a free trial version for a month, and after that you can pay for the course. But I can say, like, for starting up and for having a basic understanding, the 1 month trial will be sufficient. And third is NPTEL. So this is something done by our IITs, and these courses are absolutely free on NPTEL website. Just go search NPTEL on Google, and you'll get the courses related to electric vehicles, motor controllers, batteries, vehicle dynamics of electric vehicles. So this is something also you can learn through, which will be absolutely free. So fourth point, which I want to highlight, is short internships. So along with your EV crash courses, you can also enroll in internships in your during your college, or also after you graduate. So why are internships important? So first, it will help you to get clarity about the role. So say you are not sure which role you want to go after you graduate. Maybe you want to work as a core engineer, or you want to have a techno-commercial role, or you want to go in a managerial or a management side. Then it's really important to have clarity. So internship will really help you to get the clarity that you need. Second is getting industry relevant knowledge. So say if you're interning in a particular topic, say you are interning in batteries, so it'll help you understand what the battery industry actually needs, what this department actually demands, what are the roles available in this departments, what is the skill set required for this role, and what are the salary ranges that people get paid in this area. Third is networking. So along with your along with your industry exposure, you will also get to build meaningful connections with employees working in a particular company. So these employees will in turn be very helpful, and they can help you professionally to get jobs going further. So this is also something very important that I can say. So we are at the end of this video and hope you liked it. Do like this video and hit the subscribe button to subscribe my channel. Going further, I'll also be creating a bunch of videos on electric vehicle subsystems, on electric vehicle job application and search process, resume building exercises, building your LinkedIn profile, and getting a superb connections within 30 days, and will also be helping you to crack interviews in top OEMs and core companies. And the best part is all this will be for free. So stay tuned and you have a good day.